Hey, what's going on, guys? Nick from Soho Motorsports wanting to discuss a build that you're probably familiar with. You've probably seen it on our social media. This is Daniel's 2005 Nissan 350z. A couple years ago, he came to us wanting a lot more power than what the car came with stock. So we did a built motor with the Brian Crowder Soaker kit. We did our single turbo setup with the upgraded GTX 3584R fuel return system, 1300cc injectors, twin pup, basically the whole nine. He was shooting for big power. That motor was on a low compression ratio. It did about 846 and 610 foot-pounds of torque at 26 pounds. So what happened, there was a failure with this motor. It did lift the heads while he was out in Arizona, and this was prior to us doing all of our R&D with the top fuel setup that we do now. And so we worked with the client and we were able to take care of this motor for him at no charge. The vehicle was shipped to us and then we shipped it back to him, also upgrading the pistons as well in it. It was 2005 Nissan 350z. Car made a little bit over 850 wheel, and so we're taking it for a test drive. This is actually my first test drive in this car. Justin's taken it for a couple times, and so he'll discuss more about this build as he's driving here, and then we'll do a couple quick pulls. Hopefully we don't get arrested and we can go back to the shop.
So this car is insane. Let's put it in a word. It is custom wide body, makes almost 900 horsepower on E, but it runs and drives like a luxury car. It's mind-blowing every single time I've driven this thing, because it's got over 300 series tires on the back. Traction is non-existent in Boost Map 3 until you get some heat into them. It's such a wild ride, and I love every second of driving this car. So the first time I took it out and actually put some miles in the car, I fell in love with it because, had to do it on like map 1, map 2, map 3, see how the car is going to act, because it's the same chassis we usually drive, but it is a new car, it makes a lot of power. But if you've ever heard a jet ski skipping across a rough lake, that's what this thing sounds like in third gear. It's like, wow, 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 like trying to catch traction on these roads. It's just out of control. It's out of control, but it's in control. It's the best part. Like, it makes a ton of power, but it puts it down, and I mean, it'll stripe the road on command if you let it in third gear, like without hesitation, on 300 series tires.
And all with the AC on.
All with the AC on, yep.